Folks, good morning. Oh, good afternoon na pala. What? Past one na pala. This is our latest ato Black Food, the World of Singapore. Our latest bedding, okay? Yes. June 23, 2026. New, we have our new bed sheet, okay? Enjoy atong Black Food, the World of Singapore. Ano ba po comforter na kasi ganda naman to no? Ngunit comforter. Enjoy po sa itong Black Food, the World of Singapore. Latest update. Yan. Nasa liming 12 pesos sleeping. Reason po is they're busy cleaning the fridge. Help me some household chores. Okay? Kasi clean the fridge. Enjoy folks at the Black Food, the World of Singapore. And June 23, 2026. Nasa liming 12 sa sleeping. Latest update of our new bedding. Okay? Enjoy Singapore.